Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to cancel a scheduled payment in your Santander account using the app or online banking updated for 2025. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Santander app or online banking. Log in to the Santander mobile app or visit the online banking site. Make sure you use your username and password or biometrics if enabled. Step 2. Navigate to Payments or Scheduled Payments. From the main menu, look for Payments. Then tap on Scheduled Payments, Recurring Payments, or Upcoming Payments. The name can vary slightly by version. Step 3. Select the payment you want to cancel. You'll see a list of all your scheduled or recurring payments, like utility bills, subscriptions, or transfers. Tap on the one you'd like to stop. Step 4. Tap Cancel or Delete. There will be an option like Cancel Payment, Stop Payment, or Delete Scheduled Payment. Tap it and confirm your choice. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Santander will ask you to verify the cancellation. Enter your Santander key, PIN, or a code sent via SMS. Once you do, the scheduled payment will be canceled. Important note, you need to cancel at least one business day before the payment is set to process. Otherwise, it may still go through. Bonus tip, always double check your scheduled payments at the start of each month so you don't accidentally pay for something you no longer need. And that's it. Your scheduled payment is now canceled. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick and helpful banking guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.